projects have achieved just that. Therefore,
I'm wondering, in what field do you find most important or possibly?
I'm deeply honored and delighted that my long-standing research has been recognized.
Well, contrary to the...
My dream is to capture air and separate air to, for instance, in the CO2 or oxygen or water or something, and convert this to the useful material using the renewable energy.
The current ways of capturing carbon dioxide, it binds really, really tight. And inside of that room, the chemists were very good in synthesizing organic molecules with certain properties, but they were in 1 or 0 dimension, basically. They were on their own. So what the laureates could do, they could put them into frameworks. It's like, you can compare it with beams and posts in a framework in a house. So, if you don't know how to put together beams and posts, you will not make a house, you will not make rooms. So they actually created, out of those organic molecules, they created houses with hallways and rooms, and those hallways and rooms can be used for filling them with gases or volatile molecules and separate them and concentrate them. So it's totally new area of chemistry.
Into an ordered framework, a meta-organic framework.
A few grams of such material can hold enormous amount of area, like several football pitches. So this is kind of counterintuitive, right? I mean, how can you put a lot of space into such a small volume? But this is how this works with these pores. It's a lot of development now trying to create metal organic frameworks to capture carbon dioxide from the air, so to reduce the concentration of carbon dioxide in the air and mitigate the climate problems. And another cool application is to capture water in desert. Basically, it's very dry air in the desert, and it's difficult to get water. But with this material, you can do that. You can capture water at night, and then when the sun comes out and the temperature rises, the water comes out. So you can produce water basically out of thin air.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download MetroTV Extend sekarang.